girl Tasha back with another hair video, y'all. If you new, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Please make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. If you are new, your girl is on the road to 2K. So please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for your girl. And also smash that like button so y'all can get your girl in that YouTube algorithm. Let YouTube know that y'all are messing with your girl's videos, okay? So today we are going to be doing a co-wash routine, y'all. I think it's been about 12 or 13 days since I washed my hair. Like I told y'all, I don't wash my hair often, maybe twice a month at the most. But in between time, your girl like to get a good co-wash in. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Today, your girl is going to be co-washing her hair with this. And I also got a new exfoliating and massaging scalp and shampoo brush. Your girl had one of these, but in the process of moving, I cannot find it. This was the top rated one on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and try it out today. All my products will be linked down in the description in your girl's Amazon storefront. So please make sure y'all check that out. And yeah, I'm not going to hold y'all. Let's go ahead and get straight into the easiest wash day routine ever, period. Let's go, y'all. So this is what it looks like outside of the box, ladies. You put your hand in like this, and you're just going to get your scalp real good. Now, you don't have to wash your hair often as a natural, but you do want to keep your scalp clean. You don't want too much product build up on your scalp. So this is a good tool to have. We're going to see how we like this one. Well, I'm going to see how I'm going to like this one, and then I'm going to let y'all know. So let's go ahead and hop in. You don't see it. There you go.
First you gotta forgive. Let me know everything gon' be okay. Even if I come out at everything I did.
It smells so good, y'all. This is this is with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil.
Baby, don't fold. My heart is yours. You got the power. Power. You got the power. Power. The flow is yours. The time is ours. Hey, you never leave me on your own. You still believe me like you own. If you leave me, I'm still left on. I'm dead, baby. You told me.
I'm gonna put a little bit more to go throughout my hair. I'm going to use my oil. My favorite brush, y'all.
Good luck. punish me. You know I did it a long time ago. If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you adhere to me or play your part? Baby, don't fold. My heart is yours. You got the power, power. You got the power, power. The flow is yours. The time is ours. Hey, you believe me, or you know. You still believe me, I do. If you leave me, I'm still at fault. I'm dead, baby. You told me.
You want to always comb your hair from the ends up, y'all. Make sure you are combing your hair from the ends up. I'm gonna oil my scalp a little. Okay. Clean hair. Clean hair. Clean, soft hair, y'all. Okay. And that's literally it. Easiest wash day routine for curly hair ever. Y'all, hair is clean, it feels soft. What I'm about to do now is steam my hair. I want to see that process and hear the benefits of steaming your hair. Please make sure y'all notifications is on. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn them post notifications on so you can get the notification when your girl drops another hair video, y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
Babe, good luck.